Unlock the power of AI in your everyday workflows by automating Chatgpt prompts with Zapier. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to seamlessly send prompts to Chatgpt and utilize its AI-generated responses for tasks like content creation, customer service, and data enrichment. First, let's set up your Zap. You'll need a trigger app. This is what starts your automation for this example. Let's use Google Sheets. Whenever a new row is added to your sheet, your Zap will kick off. Next, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier and specify which spreadsheet and worksheet your Zap should monitor. Now, for the core of our automation, the Chatgpt step, select OpenAI as your app and choose the Send Prompt Action event. You'll then connect your OpenAI account, ensuring you have your API key ready. This is where you'll craft your prompt. You can dynamically insert data from your Trigger app, like a customer inquiry from your Google Sheet, for instance. You might ask Chatgpt to summarize this customer feedback, followed by the feedback text. You can even specify settings like the model you want to use and a maximum token count for the response. Finally, set up your action app to receive and use Chatgpt's response. This could be updating your Google Sheet with the AI-generated summary, sending an email, or adding a task to your project management tool. Hit Test and Review to ensure everything is working perfectly, and then turn on your Zap now. Your Chatgpt interactions are automated, saving you time and unlocking new possibilities for AI-powered workflows.